Welcome to Wind Over Water Counseling Audio Reflections. Hi, I'm Kendra Wilson, LCSW and founder of Wind Over Water Counseling. This is your sanctuary exercise, a short, guided practice to help you reconnect with your body, regulate your nervous system, and create a sense of calm when the world feels like too much. This isn't about escaping reality. It's about finding a steady, quiet center inside yourself. You don't need incense, apps, or monk-level patience. Just your breath, your imagination, and a few minutes of your time. Take what you need and leave the rest. And always remember, if anything in this practice feels too overwhelming or activates distress, please pause and reach out to a licensed therapist who can support you. You deserve to feel safe, not just in your mind, but in your whole self. Before you begin, this exercise is designed to help you ground and soothe your nervous system. It can be calming, restorative, and helpful in moments of stress, anxiety, or emotional overload. If you're experiencing intense trauma symptoms or dissociation, pause here and reach out to a mental health professional. You deserve support that meets you where you are. Let's begin. Sit however feels most comfortable. Feet on the floor if you can, hands resting on your lap. You can close your eyes or not. You're in charge here. And stop. Pause. Let go of the hustle in your mind. No pressure. Just be here and breathe. Take a slow, steady breath in through your nose. Hold it for a count of 4. Breathe out through your mouth or your nose. We'll do it together 3 times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Let your breath settle into a gentle rhythm. No rush. And just be. Imagine you're in a place that feels safe and comforting. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a place where you can be, a place that's yours. Look around in your mind's eye. What do you see? Is it light or dark? Inside or outside? What colors or shapes do you notice? Who or what is with you? Anyone? Just you? Maybe a dog? Are there trees? Can you hear the water? Use your senses to build this space. With sight, notice one calming visual detail. Like, what time of day is it? Is it sunny or cloudy? Notice the sky or the walls, the light, anything else that makes this place soothing for you. With sound, what do you hear? Birds, wind, music, other people, nothing at all. With smell, can you smell flowers, a fireplace, clean air? Touch, what's under your feet, in your hands? Can you feel a breeze, a blanket, the ground? Taste, maybe there's tea or fresh air or something sweet. Notice if anything comes to mind. This is your space. There's no right way to imagine it. Take a moment Let yourself feel how it feels to be in this place, calm, safe, present. You don't have to earn this. It's already yours. You could come back to this place anytime. When the world is loud, when your brain is spinning, or when you just need a break. It's always here. You're always welcome. Take your time, but when you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath. One inhale, one exhale. Wiggle your fingers or your toes. Notice where you are. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You did it. That was you choosing safety, choosing presence, choosing yourself. You can come back anytime. You just gave yourself the gift of calm. I hope your sanctuary place felt steady, kind, and real, because it is. You built that. You can return to it anytime. If you found this helpful, you can explore more grounding tools, guided exercises, and mental health resources at windoverwater.net or connect with me on Instagram at windoverwatercounseling. Be gentle with yourself. You don't have to do it all, and you definitely don't have to do it alone.